In this video, a sable German Shepherd guide dog works up a gravel driveway and stops the handler at a drainage ditch so that he doesn't trip. She then brings him around not only one car in the way, but two other cars that aren't typically parked in the way of the door to this house that they're renting for vacation. Once she reaches the steps to the house, which she stops at, her tail starts wagging and her handler feeds her a treat for a job well done and navigating him safely home after a walk. Using backchaining and patterning can help a guide dog to learn to find home, even in new locations.